Yo, what's up, family? So we're going to be putting a SRT exhaust on a 5.7 second gen charger, thanks to my buddy Chris here, and I will put all his information in the video description. So basically, the stock exhaust off my car we are going to be installing on his car today. So the stock 5.7 has 2.5-inch pipe. Now the SRT exhaust has 2.75. Mine already has a mid muffler delete, so he is going to be getting all that new flow and that bigger pipe and all that sound, guys. So let's go ahead and get off into today's video, guys. Pull out the SRT exhaust, take off what he has now, and get this baby sounding real nice. So a huge shout out to Jason over here at Muffler World 2 in El Centro. We are at his shop today where we're going to be doing this awesome install for you guys. Okay guys, so this is where we are at. The car is in the air. We have the factory X pipe off of the Scat Pack, a 392 Hellcat. This is pretty much what all of those cars have factory, and we are going to be installing it on this second gen 5.7. So as you can see, this is the stock diameter pipe of what comes stock on the car, and this is what we're going to be putting on it. So this Hemi is now going to be able to breathe and flow all that much better thanks to this brand new 275 pipe and this bigger X. It already has a mid muffler delete, which we got here at Muffler World with the fine people. Right now the car has the Super 10s Flowmasters dumped, so this is going to be replacing that with a mid muffler delete, and we can then run the rest of the pipe to the exhaust, the factory stock exhaust off of the Scat Pack, or I mean he can actually dump it too, guy. I don't know, we'll see what we end up doing. We have a couple of options, so this is gonna get very interesting and pretty loud here in a few minutes, guys. So here is all the stock X and basically what he had on the car as of now when we got here, and let's go see. And it just fell. So let's go see where we are at underneath the car. The Scat Pack one is underneath. Fitment is great. Everything is where it needs to be. So now we are going to basically make some reducers that slip over this and into here, keeping it basically sealed so there's no leaks, no exhaust escaping. And from there we will continue the pipe all the way out with the rest of the stock pipe. These were cut off of my Scat Pack charger, which still has the active exhaust system in place. This is a 2012 to 14, I believe, so it does not have any active exhaust. So we will mount this piece where it needs to go here, and then just basically put some straight pipe in right here, and he will have a full SRT exhaust system on this 2012 charger, guys. All right, guys, Jason is gonna make us a custom fitting that will slip over and into the stock Cats and the new X. So I mean, it just trial and trial, little by little, until we get it right.
Oh, what's up, man? Hey, did you have those pipes?
think that's gonna be pretty good, guys. It's in there nice and snug. This clamp, once it clamps down, we'll squeeze it nice and tight. We will then take this piece here and attach it over the stock catalytic converter pipe, and this baby will be ready to go, rocking some new 2.75 inch Scat Pack exhaust. Okay, so the custom pieces that we made to mount the bigger exhaust to the smaller cat pipe is done. They are already in about, I would say, maybe about right here is where they end. That way the clamp has more than enough to seal. This piece will then be slipped over onto here. We are just going to weld it for now. He is probably going to be doing some mid pipes in the future. We will see, but this is going to be mounted up to here, and this part will be good to go, guys. We will then complete the end of the exhaust, and this 5.7 liter Hemi will be ready to roar with this badass bigger exhaust system, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are making progress. This is the part where the 2015 Plus has the active exhaust, and with my Corsa system, this is still on my car. So Jason is ever so skillfully just bend some 3-inch pipe to kind of mimic what we cut from this exhaust, and it's still on my car. And it's gonna route just like this out the back, guys. Perfect. So this car is almost fully set up with a 15 Plus Scat Pack exhaust, guys, and I think it's gonna sound really good. One, due to the bigger pipe and the bigger flow. So not too much longer, guys, and we will be able to hear how she sounds. Okay, guys, so the passenger side is pretty much all said and done here. All that is left to do is work on the driver's side. So like I said, the active exhaust have been cut off of the exhaust we're putting on here. So we are going to basically just cut a section of 3-inch pipe, kind of match the bend, so we can connect the pipes just like we did here, and this car will be pretty much ready to go with the full exhaust system on there. As you can see, this side has the resonator poking out the back, and it's gonna sound amazing, guys. So we are just that much closer. The hanger right here was actually right here. We pulled it back here. He already had some other custom exhaust work done, and the stock one was gone. Not a problem. We made it work. So just a few more welds here, and this car will be ready to go. All right, guys, this is pretty much it. This exhaust is fully installed thanks to my buddy Jason down here at Muffler World 2 in El Centro. A couple custom parts made for it to actually work. Nothing too crazy, but I mean, this car is going to sound amazing. Everything is in place where it needs to be. So this car went from the factory exhaust system, the 2.5, all the way to a 275 Scat Pack SRT exhaust, and the huge X pipe. So a couple more welds to do, and then we will be ready to fire this up here, all connected to the factory stuff here, and this thing is going to sound absolutely amazing, guys. Alright guys, what did you guys think of today's video? We just put this Scat Pack exhaust on this RT charger behind me. A huge shout out to my buddy Chris, the owner of this charger. Be sure to check the video description. Follow him on Instagram if you want to see more videos and clips on this car. Again, a huge shout out to my buddy Jason, the owner of Muffler World 2, the exhaust shop where I do all of my exhaust mods and where we installed all of this good stuff today. So Really awesome stuff. We put a SRT Scat Pack exhaust on a second gen RT charger. Really cool. He now has the bigger pipe for flow and sound. So if he wants to do any more modifications to his exhaust, he is 100% ready, guys. So be sure you are subscribed to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you don't miss all the awesome videos we have in store for you. Be sure to check the video description for all of our social media links. I have some affiliate links for you to check out. Lots of awesome products to save some money and get you some awesome products, guys. So be sure you are subscribed, and as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.